In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain in Zoho CRM. This is an important process that can enhance your email deliverability significantly, ensuring that your emails end up in your clients' inboxes rather than their spam folders. By setting up domain authentication, you can build trust and improve communication with your customers. Let's dive straight into it. First, open your Zoho CRM interface and navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the setup icon, which looks like a little gear. Click on it to open the setup page. This page provides you with a wide range of settings that allow you to customize and manage different aspects of your CRM. Next, find the section labeled Channels, where you'll want to look for the email option. Click on Email, and you'll be directed to a page with various email configurations. Among these, find the Email Deliverability section, and within that, you should see an option labeled Email Authentication. Click on Email Authentication to proceed. At this point, you're ready to add and verify your domain. You'll see a +Add Domain button. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter a company email address. This email should ideally be an admin address for consistency and ease of management, something like admin@yourdomain.com. Enter your company email and then click Add. This action informs Zoho that you want to authenticate this particular domain. Now it's time to verify it. Zoho will send a verification code to the company email address you just provided. Make sure you have access to that email inbox, as you'll need to retrieve the verification code to complete the process. Head over to your email and check for an email from Zoho containing your verification code. It should arrive within moments. Sometimes, email systems can automatically sort these emails into folders other than your primary inbox, so if you don't see it immediately, consider checking your spam or promotions folders. Once you have the verification code, return to the Zoho CRM interface, and you'll see a box where you can enter this code. Type in the code carefully, ensuring that all characters match the ones sent in your email. After you've entered the code, click Verify. With that, you've successfully authenticated your domain in Zoho CRM. This step helps you establish credibility, proving to your recipients' email providers that the emails coming from your domain are legitimate. As a result, your emails are less likely to be marked as spam, improving the chances of your messages reaching your clients' inboxes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in walking you through the domain authentication process in Zoho CRM. Remember, ensuring proper email deliverability is crucial for maintaining effective communication with your clients. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.